In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Microsoft Teams. Printing files directly from Microsoft Teams can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the process, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be an expert, ready to seamlessly print any document you need. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other alternative that you like to use. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar at the top and type in Microsoft Teams. This will bring up a list of search results. Look for the official Microsoft Teams website link and go ahead and click on it to get to the login page. Now that you're at the Microsoft Teams website, you'll need to log in. Use your regular credentials to sign into your account. If you've saved your login information, this should be a quick process. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Teams dashboard page. Now it's time to navigate to the specific file you wish to print. Do this by going to the File list or choosing the Files tab, which is typically located near the top of your Teams interface. Once you're in the Files area, you'll be able to see a comprehensive list of all the documents available to you within Teams. Next, locate the particular file you want to print. Hover over the file name to reveal additional options. Look out for a small icon with 3 dots. This represents More Actions. Click on these dots, and a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Open. You will then be presented with further choices, such as Open in App and Open in Browser. Depending on your needs and how you prefer to view the document, choose the option that works best for you. For instance, you can open the file in Word or Excel if it's a document or a spreadsheet. After successfully opening your document, the next step involves accessing the Print option. Do this by clicking on the File menu, which is usually found in the top left corner of the application window. Inside the File menu, locate and select the Print option. Finally, you need to choose your print destination. This could be a local printer, a network printer, or even a PDF file if you're saving it for future use. After selecting the destination, you might have a Save button to confirm your printing preferences. Click on it, and your file will begin to print. By following these simple steps, you should now be able to print any file directly from Microsoft Teams with ease. Remember, as with any new skill, practice makes perfect, so feel free to go over these steps as many times as needed until you feel confident. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you in your daily tasks.